Hi Shraddha, this is Pooja.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I am doing really well, but it's still hot ना in
Yeah,
December.
yeah.
अभी तक तो थोड़ा cool होना चाहिए था. Actually, moody winter आ गया है.
Yeah.
I'm good. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Shraddha, how would you define beauty and how the film makeup is different from a makeup from a normal life?
That's an interesting question. And I've not thought about this, but now that I'm thinking about it, it is very different. Film makeup and makeup in real life. For film, you have to keep things in mind like lighting and the setting that you're in, and if there is natural light, you have to do a particular kind of makeup, I guess. And also, different people have different kinds of skin tones and so it's very individualistic also. And weather also, if it's too hot, then what you should do. If it's too cold, what you should do. And depending on the skin type, I guess. So yeah, it's different. And in real life also, depending on where you're going. And like today is surprisingly hot. I thought it'll be cooler. So accordingly, you do your makeup.
Recently, you did a film Heather. So I think the shooting was in Kashmir. So you had to put a lot of makeup, or it was less. I mean, how was it?
Um, because of the role, because Arshia is a Kashmiri journalist, and Vishal sir's films, you know how he is in terms of the look. He's very precise with the look and very true to the character and to the film. So, in fact, he was the one. He was like, "मुझे बिल्कुल makeup नहीं चाहिए." But also to get the no makeup look, you have to put makeup also. And I personally think that's harder because you have to have the right amount of control, the right amount of way to show that you're not wearing makeup. And I think if you nail that, that's a big achievement.
Thank you.
Sorry? Well, off late because I have been associated with this, and not only because I've been associated with it, you should ask them how excited I was when I saw the product that they were like, okay, you are going to be endorsing the new Lakme Lip Love. So I tried it and I was like, wow, this is really cool. And if you see, it's got tint and it's got moisturizer at the core of it. So this is what's in my handbag right now, the Lakme Lip Love, and I think you guys should really check it out. It's very, very cool, and the packaging is also really cool and fun. So that also adds to it, adds to you wanting it.
Shweta, we saw the previously like it was quite different the way you look in fact. What was the reason to experiment on the look? It was their way of doing it, and when they approached you with this particular thing, how did you react to it? Like you immediately agreed to experiment on the look?
No, actually, we tried on the we tried on the fringe, and we had to tame it a lot because you have a natural fringe, which is really cool. And I've had a fringe earlier, also a few years ago, um, especially because I have a big forehead, so I used to be a little conscious of it in school. And that's when I used to put a fringe. But then I was like, oh, this is really cool, man, this fringe. But then it gets very hot and then your whole forehead gets sweaty. So you're like, okay, it's not very cool in that aspect. But we had to like, sorry, I'm just only looking at you now because you have a fringe. but so we tried it, and first it was looking like, wow, that's a lot of hair on your forehead. But then we tamed it, and with a lot of eyes on the fringe and on me. And we were like, let's go for it. It's a new look, and it looked fun, and it went with the product. So we're like, why not? Let's do it.
श्रद्धा जैसे सर्दियों में क्या होता है कि लिप्स के लिए बहुत मतलब महिलाओं को सोचना पड़ता है क्योंकि वो हम बहुत ज़्यादा फटते हैं तो जैसे आप डेली मेकअप या लिपस्टिक लगाते हैं तो बेस क्या करते हैं और कैसे उसको मेंटेन रखते हैं अपने लिप की ब्यूटी को
Um, मैं एक्चुअली ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करती फ्रैंकली टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ शायद करना चाहिए बट for lips I think it's very important especially in the winter as well to keep your lips moisturized and when you have a product which gives you that with the right amount of tint, it's a perfect thing. You get color on your lips, you get moisture, and you're happy in the winters and you don't have chapped lips. Yeah. So, definitely, I also think when you use cosmetics, it's very important to use the right brands and trusted brands. And Lakme being, the leading trusted brand for Indian women, it's uh, every Indian woman's household will have some Lakme product. Um, I've grown up using Lakme as well. And so it's very important to have faith in the brand, and you know that when you're buying the brand, you know that it's going to be gentle on your skin, it's going to be correct on your skin, and you're buying a quality product at the end of the day. So that is one. Apart from that, natural things, water is the best thing, which is makes you beautiful inside out for everybody and to survive on, of course. And what else is there? Sleep, lots of sleep. Sleep is heavily underrated. Uh, and I don't know how, when you hear people saying, they work so hard and they don't sleep that much, I don't know how they do it. But sleep is very, very important.
Next question.
जैसे आप पहले लैक्मे का फेस थी एंड नाउ अगेन आप फिर से आई हैं, तो हाउ यू आर फीलिंग कि फिर से आए हैं? और तब तो आप मतलब पहली आए थे जस्ट इन इंडस्ट्री, मतलब इन्होंने ही आपको परिचय करवाया। देन नाउ अभी आप बताइए कि आप सेलिब्रिटी बने, तो हाउ योर फीलिंग्स कैसा है अभी?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है टू बी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ लैक्मे. Definitely अच्छा लगता है when people have faith in you to be able to endorse the products, so it feels really nice, and I'm really, really, really glad to be on board. Jinx, now you can't talk.
Okay, now that you've disclosed the mystery behind your tweet.
Oh, that explains it.
Now that you've disclosed the mystery behind your tweet that you found the lip love of your life, so when do we see the man of your dreams in your life?
So, yeah, that there was quite a lot of curiosity. I didn't expect it to become so this thing also. But when there is someone really special, I would be happy to share that with everyone. Yes.
Now that you have found love and your movie has been a hit in 2014, so what next for 2015 and the coming years?
I've been taking it as it comes, yeah, like going with the flow. So I just hope that however my movies have been doing, I hope that continues. That'll be nice. So going with the flow, feel really blessed. Feel 2014 has been a very special year. So I can only hope that this run continues. Who wouldn't want it to? You can't sit and plan कि यार next film भी hit होगी, फिर उसके बाद भी hit होगी. If only it could work like that. But yeah, I hope it 2015 is as good as 2014, if not better.
So any New Year plans or any resolution that you have thought that you are going to follow? Yeah.
Any resolutions? I think resolutions add a lot of pressure to you to follow them. So I've been thinking ki should I make it or no? Should I make them or no? But then I'll feel even worse if I break them. But I have some ideas in my mind. But wow, traffic jam outside this quiet lane. But so no, I'm not making any resolutions. Nahi.
And plans of celebrating?
This year we are celebrating New Year in Vegas. The whole ABCD2 team is going to be together in Vegas for New Year's. It's amazing. Yes, we're going to shoot only there. 2 weeks or so. Yes.
Hi, this is Priyanka.
Hi.
And my question is, which other than Lip Love of Lakme product you would love to be associated with, or is your personal favorite?
Absolutely. The iconic Kajal. I would love to be associated with all their products, to tell you the truth, because even the products which don't have TVCs, the basic products that you use, even like a nail polish remover, every product of theirs has quality, and you can see it when you use it. So I think that's the best part, and it's readily available. It's so you can call your chemist and you can be like, please send this home, and everybody knows of their products. It's a brand which every Indian knows. अरे वो Lakme वाला भेज दो उनके घर पे वो Lakme वाला. So that is the recognizing factor, I think, is the highest also in our country. I believe in the brand in its totality, and so of course we're going to do more campaigns together. One is also going to come out. Another one is going to come out shortly. Very excited about that also. That is totally different from this one.
We'll
Yes.
be waiting.
Hope you like that also.
A very general and a common kind of a question. बॉलीवुड में ऐसे कौन से हीरो है जिनके लिप या हीरोइन है because many times you see कि
जिनको मैं लिप लव देना चाहूंगी, लिप लव प्रोडक्ट देना चाहूंगी. आखिर में मसाला सवाल पूछ ही लिया ना. As towards the closing, it has to come. किनको देना चाहूंगी? वनीला वाला बिना tinted के किसको देना चाहूंगी? I think I will give it to the ones who I am a big fan of and who I love from the bottom of my heart, and I would personally want to give it to, since आपने पूछा है, ऋतिक रोशन, क्योंकि मैं उनकी बहुत वो वो he has nice lips also, of course, but my God, you are like next level. But because I'm a fan of his since I was very small, yeah, that's why. Priyanka Chopra, because I'm her fan. I'll give her the tinted one. मैं क्यों किसी और को देखना चाहूंगी इसमें. मतलब मैं घर जाके ये सोचती हूँ, अगर मैं इसमें नहीं होती तो कौन होता. मैं ही होती यार. What is this? Sorry.
like you had worn green actually. Now this time like you're pinky. Always like you try to match with the event what is happening.
Of course. I don't try to, I do it. I want to look like the lip shade. With lots and lots of love, wishing all of you a very, very happy new year in advance, and everyone here also. Hope you guys have a fun new year. I'm going to have a lot of fun in Vegas. वेगस जाना, मतलब वेगस में न्यू ईयर स्पेंड करना कम लोगों को ऐसी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है. मुझे मिल गई है, और रेमो सर ने कहा है कि वहाँ पे हम स्टे बैक करेंगे और सेलिब्रेट करेंगे साथ में. तो पूरी टीम साथ होगी. सो आई होप दैट यू गाइज ऑल्सो हैव एन ऑसम न्यू ईयर. एडवांस में वो भी. और उसके बाद क्या फेब में कौन सा फेस्टिवल आएगा, फिर मार्च में, तो अभी सारे एडवांस में कर दो विशेस. I think I wish this platform is not the way to wish him, but I would love to have met him in person and wished him. I've actually never met him. But wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, sir. And here's hoping to meet you sometime. It'll be really nice too. Thank you. Thank you so much.